It's time for Enjoying Nature, Winter Edition. Are you like me? Do you try to enjoy nature all year round? Well, it's our first snowfall of the year. Leaves are still falling, and now the snow is falling as well. It can be cold, it can be unpleasant, but enjoying nature, a lot of it is about dressing properly. I'm not dressed properly. All I'm wearing is a hoodie and a hat. But if I had a winter coat, I would enjoy it more. That's my tip for you today. Wear the proper clothing, and you'll enjoy nature properly. My neighbors are at it again. Ladies, please! Hey! Knock it off. While they're doing that, why don't we enjoy a wintry autumn drive? In winter, nature seems to die off and then be reborn in the spring. So here's my question to you. Is it still nature in winter? You're damn right it is! Yeah, it's just a different kind of nature. It's nature's death and renewal, right? As these scenes from the East Rock section of New Haven show, you can enjoy winter in all its breathtaking majesty. Man, I hate to shovel snow, though. What a drag.